Install Enzo track, single and wall mount. Track installation kit. Installation tools. Preparation 1. Install the connector. Slide the connector into the track slot. Align the second track section with the pin and push firmly until fully connected. Tighten the connector with the hex key to lock everything in place. Preparation 2. Secure the bracket. First, loosen the screw and remove the white clip from the bracket. Place the bracket in the desired position along the track. Align the white clip with the track. Position it between the track and bracket. Secure the white clip to lock everything securely in place. Step 1. Mark the mounting position on the wall. Step 2. Punch holes for mounting. Step 3. Insert the expansion screws. Step 4. Install the mounting brackets on the wall. Final step. Finally, check that all parts are securely in place and test the gliders to ensure the track operates smoothly. Additional guides. Remove runners. First, loosen the screw next to the end runner. Remove the end cap. Then slide the runners out one by one. Reinstall runners. First, slide the runners back into the track one by one. Place the end runner between the screw and the end cap. Slide them together fully into position. Finally, tighten the screw to secure it.